Alright, boys and girls, like a strife here, Drift Wolf Gaming, and we're about to unbox something very special. Oh boy. You can't really see it, but I will show you. It's the Drift Racer BMW E30 M3. It's the legendary Mahle version. That's really cool. So I got some other stuff in here as well. We got some paper. Ooh boy. We have a, wow, really cool key cord. That's really nice. I'm definitely gonna put that in my car. In my drift car, of course. And then, of course, we also have some paper. Ooh, and we have stickers on here. Oh, that's cool stickers right there. Motorsports are dangerous. Be safe, go crazy with your drift racer. Play responsibly. We always do that, man. We always play responsibly. I think that's it right there. So we're gonna put this away. Put all this stuff away real quick. And now we have to open this up. Grab the knife real quick. Open it up very gently. There we go. Because this is a dark 4K video. And it only goes to 5 minutes, and we're already, oh, it looks so nice, and we're already on 2 minutes, so we got to make this a little bit more speedy. Oh my god, I'm always struggling with cardboard. Oh boy, I can't wait. Okay, so shout out to Peggy. She's the one who fixed us our Mahle BMW E30. Mahle. Now let's see how it looks. Ooh. It looks beautiful. Nice. Gonna put this box right here. Put this card right here. Wow. Look at that. Doesn't it look cool? I'm gonna grab some lights real quick, because it's dark in here because it's very warm. There we go. Boom. Look at it. It looks amazing. There we go. Beep. It looks really cool. Look at those rims. Those OZ rims or OZ rims. It looks really cool. It has the names on there. Look at all the details. That's really cool. So we have to test this one out very, very soon because, again, it looks absolutely amazing. Guys, let me know what you think. Guys and girls, let me know what you think in the comments down below. This has been a very small and quick unboxing of the Drift Racer Sturmkind.com BMW E30 M3 Legendary Mahle Edition. And don't forget, it's 69. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.